welcome to a 28-degree New Hampshire morning. My goodness, it's wonderfully cold. This is so much better than 98 degrees that it was yesterday. No, day before yesterday. So day before yesterday I was in Atlanta. Yesterday I was in Gettysburg, the last video you guys saw. And today we're in the middle of the White Mountains in New Hampshire. And I found a lake. So it's like 6 something in the morning, the sun is getting ready to go up, and I'm gonna go try to find a composition. So let's check out this lake. Alright, well, I've had 0 time to scout because this is my first morning here, but I'd say for about 37-second scout mission, this is pretty decent. So it looks like, wow. Looking that way, all the mist is coming this way, and that looks probably a little bit cooler than the mist going this way, but I'm pretty sure that mountain's going to light up for sunrise if it ever gets over this mountain, that mountain over there. And I think that will look much better. But right now I've got a time lapse going, of course, because that's how I roll. And that's for safety purposes. So when in doubt, time lapse the crap out of everything. That's my motto. But I think I'm gonna walk around a little bit and try to find a different composition while this is still running. And then I'm definitely probably gonna come back tomorrow morning. So let's go check out some more stuff. Man, this is one of those times where I'm genuinely freaked out I'm gonna miss a shot because there's too many shots and I'm running around like a chicken with my head cut off. I've got the 5D4 time-lapsing right there. I found these roots and this tree, and that view, it's not the view that I really wanted for the light, but the roots in the tree in the foreground are incredible. With that mist back there, that looks amazing. So I think sacrificing a little bit of optimal light for this amazing foreground is cool. I don't think the sun is gonna hit because the sun is gonna come up that way, I think. I don't know where it is. It's over there somewhere. But all I know is those mountains are lighting up. So I'm going to go try to... I've got just a couple more minutes before the sun hits just the lining of the lake, the horizon of the lake, the shore, lake shore. It's too early. I haven't had tea or Pop-Tarts yet. So I got a couple minutes before it hits the lake shore. I'm going to try to get that with the 1D and see if I can get anything. I do really like the composition that I got over there, though, shooting through the leaves with the lake and the mist in the background. It's like when you think you don't have a foreground and then you try to come up with something a little different, that's like kind of what my mind was going for, is not just setting up at the shore and then shooting out. You know, I want to exaggerate that fall feeling. So that's the kind of stuff I'm looking for. All right, let's go before I lose the light. Okay, I gotta wrap it up because I've got like just a couple minutes of video record time left on this memory card and my other ones are in the car. But I'm gonna end with, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a house back there in the light, just lit up, framed in between the trees, mist on the lake, light on the mountains. I think that's awesome. I've got 5D4 running for another time lapse. I think I've done like 6 time lapses this morning. Close up on these rocks with the mist going over them and the tree hanging over. I think I'm good. I think I need to stop. Also, I smell bacon, and it's turning on like some sort of like feral bacon addicted like monster thing in my brain. What I'm trying to say, I think, is that I'm really hungry. So I need to stop because the light's going away. I'm starving, running out of memory. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. Alright, I lied about quitting. The light is still really great even though the light's up, and it's harsh because the lake is going like east-west. That means more of the lake is still in the shadows. There's still amazing light everywhere. Some of these trees are starting to get lit up, so I'm actually gonna have to stop myself from time-lapsing, and I'm gonna throw probably my 1-400 on and pick out some detail shots on the shore and see if I can get some compression with these close-up leaves. Something, I don't know. I'm gonna put a long lens on. I'm gonna take this jacket off because it's warm now. All right, let's do this. I'm thinking probably handheld for one simple reason. Birds. I hear raptors and jays, and I don't want to be stuck on a tripod if one of those fly out. So in lieu of smooth water shots, which I can still redo in Photoshop if I want to, I'm gonna go handheld. Try to shoot some birds in the face too. Alright, that's really it though. After this, it's breakfast time because it's like half hour since I signed off the first time and I'm starving. One last tip for hand holding, especially hand holding large lenses. Take it off of the 2-second timer that you put it on when you're on the tripod. It'll help a lot.